Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's makeup look is this New Year makeup, traditional Bengali New Year. And as you guys know, I'm from Bangladesh, and Bangladeshi people celebrate New Year in April 14th, and which is coming in like couple of days. And I just thought I will create a makeup look using my a traditional outfit and traditional way to show you guys how we celebrate our new year. So what we do, we normally wear like a red and white outfit. It's up to you, sari or kurti or anything. And nowadays you can wear any color, to be honest. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be red and white, but red and white it was just like a traditional color for our new year. And this year we are not celebrating because of COVID restriction, and also Ramadan is coming and starting on 14th, exact 14 April 14th. So even though we are not celebrating, but I just thought you can wear like anything, and you can celebrate with your family, of course, at home. And that's why I just thought I'll create a makeup look, and I really like it. I hope you guys will like it. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start with face primer. I'm using today, this one is Hard Candy hydrating primer, and I really like this primer. I used it once and it has a really good sticky texture, which I like because I feel like my foundation stay 24 hours if I keep it. My foundation, normally I don't keep my foundation 24 hours. So before I apply foundation, I'm going to use this iconic London illuminators. This one is blush. It's like a rose gold pinky color. I'm just gonna put that on my higher point of my face and blend with my finger. And for foundation today, I'm using this Catrice HD liquid coverage foundation. This color is natural beige. And with my sponge. And just drag it on your neck as well. I really like this foundation. It's very light feeling, and also it's buildable. You can build and it's not gonna look like a cakey looking. That's what I really like. So I'm gonna do cream contour with this Fit Me Shine Free foundation. It's like a stick foundation. This color is coconut. Under eye, I'm gonna use just an under eye corrector from this palette. This one is from Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. It has like a two side. One side has cream product and one side has like a just powder product. So I'm just gonna use this shade, this like a orange tone shade color. I'm just gonna put using my finger, and I'm putting on my under eye. Now on top of it, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one is light medium honey. And I'm gonna blend with the same sponge. Now set my under eye. I'm using my Too Faced Peach Perfect translucent setting powder. For set my contour, I'm using this palette again. This one has that this shade from the palette, using my angle brush. For blush, I'm using this blush trio. This one is Fresh Zero. I'm using this peachy tone color, peach and pinky tone shade. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this same palette. From the palette, I'm using this beautiful shade. This palette is discontinued, I believe, but there's a lot of palettes like out there you can find. Like a Tarte has a really good nice one for a contour palette, like Too Faced has it like a contour and blush palette. It's really nice. For eyebrow, I'm using my Milani pomade. This one is brunette. I'm not sure what kind of makeup look I'm gonna do it with this outfit, and I have two palettes in front of me. One is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and other one is the Urban Decay. So from the palette, I'm gonna start with this palette. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So from the palette, I'm gonna get this shade. This one is Eden. I will use on my crease, using this like a big fluffier brush. Now I'm gonna go with this orange shade. This one is Blazing, with this same brush, and I'm gonna put that on my outer V. I'm focusing on outer side, then I'm just blending it like an inward motion, and I'm just going back and forth with the same color. Then I'm gonna get this Blood Moon shade with using my finger and put that on my, just like a, on my eyelid, like half of my eyelid. And I'm just grabbing like a flat shader brush because I can't put that inner corner of my eye. I need a brush. So I'm getting a pencil brush and just getting the orange shade, and I'm putting it on the bottom of my lashes. Now I'm gonna get this dark brown shade. This one is Oud, using the like a small pencil brush, and I'm gonna try to focus on that outer V. Now I'm gonna get like a flat brush and using that dark brown shade, and I'm gonna put that onto my lower lash, like really close to my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna make a wing eyeliner, and I already did with one eye, so I'm using my Huda Beauty eyeliner. I'm just following my, and I'm just making like a half wing eyeliner. Now I'm gonna use my waterline, this kohl pencil, just on my tight line. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and mascara, I'm using my Tarte 30th. lashes, I'm using this it's like my old lashes. I think it's from Morphe. I got it a long time ago, and I keep all my lashes in this one of this, like a you keep your lash really organized. You'll see I keep my lashes in here. Like here is, I have a couple of my favorite lashes, so this is one of them. Are on. Now I'm gonna use my Urban Decay 24 hours glide on eye pencil. This one is Lucky. It's like a goldeny orange tone shade. I'm just gonna put that on my waterline. I'm just getting a little bit concealer onto this brush, and I'm just gonna clean up my wing eyeliner. So finish up my eye look, I'm gonna use this pencil brush and getting this shade from the palette. It's like a slightly champagne gold color, and I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner of my eye. For my lip today, lining my lip, I'm using my Kat Von D lip liner. It's like a really nice vibrant red shade. And for lipstick, I'm using my Too Faced Lady Balls. It's like a really nice red color. I'm gonna use this bindi for whenever we wear like a sari or something, like an Indian or Bangladeshi traditional outfit. We always wear like a bindi. It's like you put that in the middle of your two eyebrows. I have a nail, so I can just put it in the middle. It's crooked. Makeup look, I'm using my Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. So this setting spray is like it holds your makeup like a long hour. And this is my like a full face completed makeup. And this is my completed look. I really like it, how it turned out. And I know not everyone is celebrating like a new year, and I just thought, I know we are having a Ramadan starting on the same day, but I just thought makeup is always fun. It doesn't have to be like you have to go out or anything. You can do it at home with your family right now, yes, because you can go out or you can meet your friends and family. So yeah, that's why I just thought I will create this makeup look, and I really like it, how it turned out. And hopefully you guys will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe in my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.